Who is so special that they have spoken with God hundreds of times? When you receive various information from God, it is the most accurate intelligence of all time.
तो वो अल्लाह को पता था इमरान खान ने ये वर्ड एक दिन कहने हैं, तो वो अल्लाह ने अपनी रहमत से वो मुझे पहले ही ख्वाबों में दिखा।
Imran Khan, the former Prime Minister of Pakistan, has warned the country could face an economic collapse.
Actually, the damage has been done. It's only going to get worse. The longer this government stays, the worry in Pakistan is we could have a Sri Lanka type situation.
One of the most haunting and beautiful sounds in the world is the Muslim call to prayer. What was the origin of that?
It is said that one of Muhammad's companions had a vision while he was asleep, where he heard this call for prayer, and then when he woke up, he went to Muhammad and told him about it, and he's made it into this ritual of using it to call for prayers every day.
This is the divine dream. Things that have previously applied to God's chosen servants, revealing secret of the past, and things that will happen in the future through divine dreams. He is definitely very special. I'm curious to discover, who is Muhammad Qasim?